Welcome back. We're here with my little brother Aaron, and today we are finally installing these right here. These 44 inches of synthetic beauty. We're excited. Let's sit down and I will show you guys the first 2 or 3, and then we'll probably just time-lapse the rest of it and maybe come in here or there if something funny happens. But for the most part, sit back, relax, and enjoy as I do back-breaking labor for the next 5+ hours and probably still not finished today. We've gone grab us a rat telephone.
Yes.
I'm gonna just use.
Stretching out final to forward.
Okay.
My hair is so beautiful. Hey, should I grab those black hair ties for you?
No, that's fine. I've got to part your hair out and everything.
So you really do look like shit.
Oh, I love how I didn't bring the twisting and locking gel.
Ooh, I can take this time to go grab it and change my shirt. No,
I'm not kidding. Hey Aaron, that's real life relationship shit right there.
Well, I should check Snapchat.
Okay.
Go grab the locking gel?
Yeah, go ahead and grab the locking gel and do whatever you need to do. Okay. Let's see. So first things first, people. We are going to section all of his fucking hair because he's got a lot of it. Section it in half and just very messily put the top part up. Bitch.
Ooh, look at me. Looking like a sexy bitch. My butt's gonna be 4 times this size. It's gonna be bigger than my head.
No head.
Are you talking to me?
Me. I've got a really, really pretty sparkly gold barrette to
make me really tie in the whole look.
hold shit in place for me. So pretty much,
But
y'all can't see it,
trying
but
to be in the picture.
got his hair parted in half, so that's just to make it easier. And then I'm going to start by parting out a thin row of hair to section off into individual sections for the dreadlocks. Doing my best to go straight across. I'm gonna bring you guys closer. So, Aaron's got lots of little flyaways and stuff like that. We've got a gel we're gonna use that's gonna help us with that. Trying to get the best section we can here. He's got a lot of broken hair. I'm wearing his hair in a ponytail constantly.
I haven't done it so long.
Just a tease. Not better. Anyway. Perfect. I'm gonna grab another barrette. You don't have to use this specifically, but this is what I'm using because it's what I had. I was gonna use shea butter, but I couldn't find it, so we're gonna use this Cantu Natural Hair Shea Butter Moisturizing Twist and Locking Gel. Because I know it's not gonna stick to his hair as crazily as straight beeswax does. I made the mistake of using beeswax with my daughter's locks, so. Alright. So that's applied. I'm gonna grab this one of the rainbow ones, because we're doing rainbow on the bottom. And I'm going to use this right here. It's a latch hook that comes with the bundles of hair when you buy them. By the way, I'll link the hair down in the description box down below. What did I just do with that? Did I lose it? Oh, it's on my deal. God, I'm so stupid. Put it on. I'll twist it first. Look our little. Oh no! Why not? Hang on, we're not there. So, like I said, we'll show you a few of these, and you'll learn with us. So we have it. We have the section of hair pulled through the loop, and now we're going to split that section into 2 equal pieces, as equal as possible. Hold them like you would, like you're getting ready to do a braid. Like you would a braid, I guess, is all I can really say. And start braiding. You want to hold it as tightly to the scalp as possible to prevent slip. Use Equate from Walmart. I don't remember how much they are, but they're 300 count. They're the stronger rubber band, not the little.
Hey, look.
Not the little
Yeah.
guys.
Yes, we love a good thick moment.
Oh, do we?
You know it.
Is this comfortable, Aaron?
Yeah.
Does it feel okay?
Yeah, it doesn't even hurt, bro.
Okay, cool.
Well, probably hold tighter.
Well, yeah, my fingers were slipping. It's tight enough for the hold, so.
I'll just let you know that it doesn't hurt. I'll let you know. I'll bitch and complain.
And just like that, that is our first one, which is. Does it feel okay if I?
Yeah, cool.
I was just making sure that it's not like positioned weirdly so that it's gonna hurt the ponytail. No, it doesn't quite touch the ground. You've got about 3 inches till the ground. Now it practically touches the ground. Moving on to the next one, ladies and gentlemen. Does it feel okay though?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure. And so that's us all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know it was all time-lapse. We do a lot of time-lapses. Initially it was going to be like a tutorial type thing, but as of filming this outro, I'm not really sure if it was a tutorial or not, so let me know if that was helpful teaching you how to install Dreadlocks. Let me know if it wasn't helpful in the comment section below. Other than that, of course, if you want to subscribe here for similar videos from me, that link will be right here. And then of course, don't forget to go and check out some of my most recent uploads right here. Thanks guys, and we'll see you next time.